Okay guys, I want to show you, this is telescopic ladder. Order this from amazon.co.uk. What I want to show you is for us to check this out using it on the ladder. Check my video how we extended this. Okay, let's do it this way. So what we are doing is to see the actual length, okay, the full length for this. You can see now to close this down. This is, you need to press this together. Okay, once you press it, press the bottom one. Okay, press the top one and press this. You can see. Now the next thing to do, press. Okay, and use the belt to close it. Okay, you can see this is very handy. It doesn't take a lot of space. This is beautiful. Now what I want us to do is to see this, test it on the Loft. Okay, and this is the Loft. Okay, so we need to press. Right, you can see now what we want to do is for us to test this to the Loft. Okay, and once you're done, the next thing you need to do is you can't climb from this end. Okay, don't climb from the back. Okay, so don't climb from this end. You need to turn this around this way. Okay, for you to climb the stairs. Now, so what we need to do is bring this up, 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 up. Okay. Now the other thing you can do is can also extend it a bit. Now I can see we have enough. So this is 2.6 liter. This is 2.6 liter. 2.6 meter, excuse me, 2.6 meter. Now what we need to do is right now is just for, so this is 2.6. Okay, this is very handy. You can see. So this is for your Loft. Beautiful stuff. So it's very nice. So it really depends. You can put it this way as well. Okay, you can put it this way and keep going. Okay, you can see. So you can do all the things you want to do. You can bring the bag. So you can bring anything you want to bring from the Loft. Okay. So this is nice. Beautiful. There we go. This is telescopic ladder. Very handy to use for a Loft. Okay. Beautiful stuff. Once you're done, what you need to do press. Okay, once you press it, adjust it. Nice. Beautiful. This gear deserves your attention. So guys, I thought to show you how to use this on your ladder. Okay, what I want to encourage you is, can see this warning sign here. Don't climb on it. Don't climb. Can see at the back there's a warning sign here. Don't climb on this end. Make sure you climb the other way around. Okay, so this is a warning sign. Okay, securely place the thumb on latches when closing. Okay, so right now I can see. So what you need to do is just make sure you turn this around, and once you are ready to go, just put everything. Okay, now it's ready to go. Just climb. It's very handy. Very handy. Okay. I want to say, make sure don't climb on the top thread. Okay, don't climb on 1, 2, 3. So you just need to make sure you climb on this. So that from the instruction, don't climb on the final thread, which is 1, 2. So you need to come up to this end. Yeah. Now and get what you want to get. Yeah. So this is nice. This is how to use this to your ladder. It's very handy. This gear deserves your attention. It's very nice. It's beautiful. I love it. As you can see, you also need to be careful. Don't put your hand where you are not supposed to put your hand. You just need to, only what you need to do is just press. Okay, press it together and it will come down straight away. Open it up. You just need to pull straight away. It will come up. You can see it's coming up. Okay, closing it. Press. 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 Okay, so guys, this gear is nice. It deserves your attention. I ordered this from amazon.co.uk to use for my loft. Okay, it's very handy. Okay, and your safety is paramount. So it's really about making sure you got all the gear you're supposed to get. Okay, it's in. Nice, beautiful, and it's not heavy. You can carry it with one hand. Okay, I can carry it with one hand. This is to show you this gear is not heavy. With one hand you are good to go. It's very economical and affordable. It doesn't take a lot of space. Okay, so anywhere you put it, for work guys, for electrician can use this to plumb anything you need ladder to do. It's very handy. This gear is recommendable. It deserves your attention. Okay guys, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Please do consider to subscribe, share. Thank you.